Want Adobe Creative Cloud but international prices are too high? I've been there. Step 1. Go to Adobe's website and find View Plans and Pricing. Step 2. Change the region to Africa minus English, then scroll down to find Special Offers. Now it drops to $7.99. Step 3. Change Africa to in the URL. The price becomes 638.38 Indian rupees.
Converted to USD, that's only 677 cents, from 34.9 to 677, over 80% saved. Legal, no hacks, no stress.
But this is still not the most affordable. If you want an even lower price, I've compared tons of third-party sites, and Z2U is the cheapest heights because it not only uses regional discounts but also stacks local exclusive deals,
Driving the price to rock bottom. Wait, here's a key difference. The India region price may require a local payment method or identity verification. On Z2U, no verification needed. Buy anytime, globally. Z2U offers fast delivery and escrow-protected transactions. Click the link in bio and check out Z2U now.